How to upgrade Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upgrade to Spotify Premium on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Upgrading Spotify Premium on iPhone is actually quite simple, but the problem is that if you have been trying from the Spotify app, you will not be able to get the premium from the Spotify app because iPhones does not support in-app purchases. So instead you have to open your Safari browser and simply go to spotify.com. Then once you go to spotify.com, log into the respective account where you want to get premium. Right now, once done, you might see a get premium toggle, but if you don't find it and you missed it, that's also perfectly fine. You can tap on the gear icon from the top right, go to this option that says premium. Then once you tap on premium, now you can choose to upgrade to premium by simply selecting a certain plan of your choice. Then once done, enter your card details, enter everything such as credit or debit card and enter them, and once done you'll be able to upgrade Spotify Premium on iPhone. After that, to reflect the changes on the app, just try to log out and log in again and see if that helps you. So this way you can upgrade Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.